Today's tutorial will be showing you how to remove background noise from a voice recording using Audacity. Begin by recording your vocals or importing an audio file. You can import an audio file by going to File, Open, and selecting the audio file through the File Explorer window. Find a segment where you're not talking or there is no sound other than the background noise. Highlight it by clicking and dragging. Open the Filters option via the top menu and select Noise Reduction. Press Get Noise Profile and the window will close. Select the whole track by double-clicking on it. Head back to Filters and choose Noise Reduction again. Press OK and the background noise will be removed. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.